It's Chris Mulder here with your Monday Mortgage Minute on an incredibly hot July the 5th. Now let's talk about interest rates. As I mentioned in my previous videos, things are starting to come down again as far as fixed rate mortgages are concerned. There's a lot of uncertainty in the global economy, especially when investors look towards Europe. And as a result of that, fixed rate mortgage pricing has come down. Despite the rise recently, we're starting to see a drop. So let's see where rates are at this week. We have the 1-year fix is at 2.5%. There's a new 3-year special, The 3-year fix is at 3.49%. And the 5-year fix has actually come down to 4.09%. So we're getting close to that 4% barrier that we saw from earlier in the year. It would be interesting to see if the fixed 5-year will come below that. As far as variable is concerned, no changes there. We have prime minus 65 on the 3-year and prime minus 60 on the 5-year variable. However, I am starting to hear rumors that prime minus 70 will become available very shortly. Now, if you can't decide between fixed or variable, you can get the best of both worlds with a 50-50 mortgage. The effective rate on the 50-50 today is 3.13%. Also of note, kind of interesting, the Bank of Canada has lowered its benchmark rate. The benchmark rate is the rate that the bank is using, or that all banks need to use to qualify high ratio mortgages. So that means if you were marginally qualifying before, because the rate has come down, you should technically be able to qualify for more money. Now, my name is Christopher Mulder. I'm a Toronto mortgage broker, and very often I get asked, what's the cost of doing business with me? And in about 99% of the transactions that I do, I get compensated by the lender. So don't be afraid about a cost. It doesn't cost you. Give me a call. We'll talk about your mortgages and go from there. If you want to find out more about me and my business, you can check me out on my blog, sonofabroker.com, or my website, tridacmortgages.com. Also, be sure to join my Facebook group. You can find a link to the Facebook group on my blog. Catch you next week.